and type exact 0. That type 0. 0 means exact match.
Okay.
So it will look for exact word.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, press enter. So it is not there at all, or what? Or do you find some?
There is one. Okay. I have two sheets. Okay, so one sheet is the data, the column that I wanted to compare is column B of this sheet and column F of this sheet. Both are titled as item number. Okay, so I just want to compare these two data, and actually this particular sheet I want to compare whether this previous sheet, whether they are the same cell. Is it similar? The data is similar. If it is similar, I just want to color code it. Okay, so is there any way to compare these two sheets just in these two
When you
columns?
say
Yeah.
compare has like variety of meaning. Do you mean that the same code is there in the other sheet or not? Is it?
Yeah. Same data. For example, this one,
Which one
right?
is a bigger one? Which one is the bigger list?
This is the bigger list.
This is the bigger list. So which one you
Yeah.
want to like keep it as a base? So if this is the bigger,
Oh,
I would
okay.
advise that write the formula here.
Okay.
And then bring things from the other place to this place to identify whether it is available on the first sheet or not. Okay.
Okay.
So in this case, you can go to one of the formula, go there on the right side, the second sheet.
Okay.
You can put it in column L or insert it anywhere, doesn't matter.
Okay.
You can type a formula equal match.
Match.
Okay, open
Okay.
bracket and then select
Lookup
the
value.
current item number in this row.
Okay.
Comma, and then we will give the list. It is asking lookup array. Where do you want to search it? Okay. We'll go to the first sheet and select column B. Select column B. Okay. And now select column B. Come back to the first sheet because you have moved the selection. Come back to the comma and type exact 0. That type 0. 0 means exact match. So it will look for exact word.
Okay.
Press enter. So it is not there at all, or what? Or do you find some?
There is one. Okay. This is there.
So that means formula is working. As long as you see even one result, that means formula is working.
Okay.
So just verify H37698. Is it there or not there in the first list? H37698.
Okay. Just hold on. Number 5, right? Okay. The one. Okay. This one.
No, this will be there. Just check for the other one.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah. It's here. Number 1. Okay. It is.
Now, this itself will give you an idea. If you find a number, that means it is there. Otherwise, it is not there. If that is the definition of the comparison. Okay. If you want to keep it yes and no, true and false, you can take it to next level. What you can do, I will take the control of your laptop for some time.
Yep.
So rather than just going for a match, because match function is giving a lot of errors, and I'm not happy to see those many errors.
Okay.
So what I will do, I will write the formula with is number. I will apply a logical function before this. So whatever is the result of match function, I am evaluating it if that is a number or not a number. Okay. And when I press that, it gives me true, or when it's true, it's there. When it's false, so this looks better than the errors at least.
Yes, true.
Okay. And you can further extend it if you want some other results other than true and false. Okay. But I think this is good enough.
Yeah, this is good enough. This is